Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how to make croissant. Please, after watching, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and also remember to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. The ingredients that I will be using today are 600 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 7 grams of yeast, and 300 milliliters of milk. So the first thing to do is to pour in half of the milk, followed by your yeast, and sugar. Whisk everything. Cover it and allow to rest for 10 minutes. This is our yeast after 10 minutes. You can see bubbles on top of it. It shows that your yeast is alive. The next thing is to add in your flour and your salt. Mix everything. Add in the remaining milk. Sprinkle some flour on your working area. And start kneading the dough until it is soft. After kneading, place your dough into an oiled bowl. And cover it to rest for 1 hour. Here is my dough after resting for 1 hour. Then punch out the air. And bring the dough on your working area. Sprinkle some flour and roll out the dough. Cut into equal pieces. And make balls out of them. Take one ball and roll it out. After that, place on your tray. And apply some butter on it. Repeat the same process until you are done. Then use the last one as a cover for the other ones. Then cover with plastic wrap and put it in the freezer to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, put it on your table. And gently roll it out. After rolling it out, cut it like this. Take one triangle and roll it up. If you like, you can put chocolate chips in it. Here are our croissants. Cover them and allow to rest for 40 minutes. Here are our croissants after 40 minutes. Now it is time for the egg wash. Here I have 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk mixed together. And bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade. We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas to all of you. Wish you all good health, long life and prosperity. See you in my next video. Bye.